Alright, so this is more of a day in my life. For those who are new to the channel, my name is Deve, but I go by Ve, hence the channel name Vevante. I'm a car guy, motorsports enthusiast, aspiring race car driver, traveler. This is my daily driver. This beautiful Lexus GS300, aka Toyota Aristo. So yeah, right now I just need to run some errands. I'm run by my mom's house. Yeah. This is the daily. This is the daily. So if you're looking for a channel with someone who doesn't just do one particular type of content, but somebody you could kind of look at and be like, hey, that's relatable, or need any kind of advice or inspiration, I think I can be that guy for you. I can be that guy. So yeah, for all my car guys, you should know this car. I mean, and what's under the hood, we got ourselves a 2JZ JE. So it's a 2JZ non-turbo. This car for about, it gotta be like 2 weeks by now, and I got not many complaints at all. In fact, the longer I've been having it, the more I'm starting to like it. Been doing research on it, you know. Wee-hoo! This road, I'm seeing. Don't drive like this at home. Alright, so I'm running errands today in Westchester. I was supposed to go to Brooklyn to pick up some parts for the drift car, the E36, but as I'm on the way, the guy wants to call me now and talk about something. Oh, can we reschedule for later this evening or tomorrow? I'm like, bro, that's why you can't like trust people and depend on people. That's why before I ever leave for like a long journey trip, when I'm meeting with someone, I make sure everything is confirmed. I got the pump in there. Pump is installed. I just gotta put the banjo bolts and top it up with some fluid. I don't even know if I have fluid on me right now. And I figured I'd spray some WD-40 in the freaking, where the banjo bolt is right here. Just because it's been sitting for a long time, just exposed. So we're gonna, yeah, spray that all up, I guess. Fuck, I don't know if that's a good idea. All right. Feels right. So we're gonna start putting this in. Woo! See, I'm recording for IG and YouTube. Okay, where did I just put that shit? Oh. Okay. Alrighty. Let's see what we got here. So we're gonna start with this. No, it only takes one on one side, so that's gonna go. Oh, is this the right one? Yeah. We're gonna put that there. We're gonna put that up top. We're gonna finger thread it. Come on, get in there, bitch. Get in there. Okay. Don't want it to be near the belt. The belt gets on there. I got this one. This is the big boy. Bottom one. You know what I'm saying? Oh boy. Oh boy. Here's another look at the GS. Nah, this car is growing on me, bro. She is growing on me. Honestly, when I start modding this thing, I'm probably gonna do suspension stuff first. Definitely fix this little bing bang. The exhaust ain't bad, but it doesn't sound bad. But I'd rather do like a single exit muffler. But yeah. That's the John. How's you guys' day going? What are you up to? Are you enjoying your summer? Yo, so I almost forgot. I didn't show you guys underneath the bonnet of this. I just took this little cover off, but usually this is on there pretty much sitting like that. But I just took it off because I was just checking stuff out. So yeah, this is the 2JZ GE. This is not the crazy Super 2J, but it has very similar parts, I'm assuming, having the same name. So yeah, this is a fresh serpentine belt. I don't know when this timing belt was replaced, but it looks pretty good. It's leaking a little bit of oil around here, like on the seals or something, so I gotta check that out and also do a valve cover. But everything else under here is mint. Got this brand new coolant hose. Everything is so much more simple than the BMW E90, I'm not gonna lie. Like, so I'm kind of readjusting my brain to the Japanese cars. So, and it's cool. Everything underneath the bonnet says Toyota on it. So Toyota had no shame in stamping that all over the car, because this is a Toyota. You know, in Japan, this is known as the Aristo. But it says Lexus in a few spots. Like, it says Lexus right there. We got the Lexus badge on the steering wheel. And we got the Lexus badges all over the back. GS300. I might change this to a Toyota badge. Put Toyota there and find an Aristo badge. I guess that'll just be kind of cool for me. But yo, car is pretty mint for what I got it for. I'm telling you. $1,800 for one of the most reliable engines ever. Big body, 4-door sedan, black interior. I mean, this is the only fault in the interior. The guy before me was a smoker, like I said in a previous clip. Yo, everything works. Like, my cruise control works, bro. My cruise control works. I have not had any car pre 2015, 16 where the cruise control works. So yeah, there's a high chance I'm gonna be driving this down south very soon, like to Virginia. I'll probably just bring it to a mechanic, have them check underneath, make sure everything's good. I heard ball joints on these are pretty fragile, but I took both front wheels off and I've checked stuff and nothing seems too out of place. So I'm assuming they're good. But assuming, still want to really check. I'm gonna do more research on that. Yeah, bro. It's pretty mint. It's pretty mint, and I'm starting to love the Lexus / Toyota platform. It's pretty cool. It's probably gonna be the end of this video. Just wanted to make a video introducing my current daily driver. I know I change cars a lot for anybody that follows, but so be it. I love cars. Cars love me. So yeah, anyway, I'm gonna stop blabbering. Like, comment if you have any Lexuses or Toyotas or have any advice about, I almost said Aristo, about the GS300, or if you have an IS even, because I know those have the same motor.